Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word exaggeration. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is exaggeration. Let's break it down. First we have ig, which sounds like the ig in ignore. Next is zaj, which rhymes with badge and carries the main stress. Then comes a short unstressed vowel sound like the A in sofa. After that, ray, which sounds like the word ray, as in sun ray. Finally, shun, which sounds like shun in caution. Now let's put it all together. Exaggeration. Try repeating after me, exaggeration. Now a little faster, exaggeration. And at full speed, exaggeration. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Exaggeration refers to the act of making something seem larger, more important, or more extreme than it really is. It's commonly used in storytelling, humor, or persuasive speech. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce exaggeration and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.